लेट्स स्टार्ट विद इट. आई थिंक बहुत बड़ा बॉक्स है, लाइक रियली रियली बड़ा बॉक्स है, तो आई जस्ट ऐसा ऊपर से ही मैं खोल के स्टार्ट करता हूँ बिकॉज इट इज़ व्हाट इट इज़ इन माइक. ओके, सो इसमें कितनी सारी चीज़ें हैं? आई थिंक काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें, 1 2 3 4. तो लेट मी जस्ट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग. सो इसमें कुछ 6-7 चीज़ें हैं, तो I'll just keep everything here. A McQueen, this. Then there is a skipper. मतलब just imagine. Then this and this. तो हम इतना सारा आज टॉय रिव्यू करने वाले हैं. तो are you guys excited? We going to unbox this many toys, like literally this many toys. So we have a lot to cover today, and I think this is Firefighter Barbie. So let's open this up, this many. And this is kind of like a dream come true because इतने सारे हैं, 1 2 3 4 5, like. And then also we have Avengers का, this is Union Legend, I don't know. So yeah, इतने सारे हैं, तो we'll do unboxing of each and everything by like ऐसा. So let's start with one by one. I thought कि एक thumbnail ले लेंगे. So yeah, let's start with this. We think we need to do this a little bit and just zoom it a little bit. So this is like a skipper, and this is like a brown skin skipper. We had, I think, another skipper which is little fairish. So we'll open it up and see. So this is like an actual metal skipper Barbie, and ये ऐसा प्राइस दे रखा है. दिस इज़ 199 1199 1200, हमें भी करीब 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 उतने का ही पड़ा है. सो दिस इज़ एंटायर थिंग, एंड दिस इज़ मेटल. तो आपको ऊपर बॉक्सेस पे भी आपको ऐसा ब्रांडिंग वो सब चीज़ें मिलती है जो आपको प्रॉपरली ऐसा बारबी में मिलती है. तो इट्स लाइक अ प्रॉपर बारबी वाला ही है, तो दैट्स नो डाउट अबाउट दैट थिंग. तो आई जस्ट let's see. So this is like a skipper, and this is like a brown skipper. Trying to be more sensitive when you talk about, because I am brown skinned, and so, and it's better they are having like getting different skin tones. Baby ka bhi hai. I don't want to get into that kind of a political debate कि कौन क्या सही है, but I love this thing कि at least some sort of a representation you are having in any way, in any manner is good. Okay, this is a toy review thing, not political thing. So yeah, this is Skipper, and this is how it looks. The hair, वो अगर आप एक बार brush करोगे तो ठीक हो जाएगा. There is a hair band. I think hair band is like you can remove and get the full hair, like वैसे वाला thing, and it rotates and comes ऐसा ऊपर नीचे हो जाता है. And then there is shoes. I think shoes are also detachable. And then the main attraction, a baby. And then there are like little towel and those things. Let me just zoom it in quite a bit. So yeah, so this is like a, and this is like a towel, and this is how it shares. And then this is the thing, this is the baby, and it looks good. And then this legs are movement, hand, I think there's no movement. This, I think you can take it off, like usually like clothes and those things are changeable, but this much you can take it off. And then there is this hand. You can, okay, so you can rotate on this way and this, and usually you can have for holding the baby like this. So like a babysitter Barbie. On the level of eyes and things, looks good. The hair looks nice. There is a pink under highlight, but वो तभी आएगा जब, and there is a metal का वो लिखा हुआ है, and this pink highlights will only come, I think, एक बार आप इसको brush करोगे तो शायद ठीक हो जाएगा. Then there is a hair band, it goes with the looks. Then इधर ऐसा है, ये पैर bend नहीं होते हैं, like, but this also does not move much like mobility के हिसाब से अगर मैं देखूँ. And the shoes, these are removable, like आप ऐसे करके, आई थिंक इस पे वो लगा हुआ है इलास्टिक का वो, but these are removable like fully. So I'll just zoom out a bit. Yes. So yeah, this was it. And I don't know, maybe because of the darker skin tone मेरा कैमरा उस हिसाब से हो रहा है. So this was the Skipper Barbie. And ta ta ta. So link in the description. Bye bye, thank you.